Are you waking up at night with painful leg cramps that twist and tighten your muscles? Or maybe your legs feel stiff and weak during the day, making it harder to stay active and independent? You're not alone. And here's the good news. The right foods can make a big difference. In today's episode of Daily Vitality 365, we're revealing 3 powerhouse foods that help strengthen muscles, boost circulation, and relieve leg cramps, especially for adults over 60 who want to stay mobile, pain-free, and full of energy. So grab a pen, take a seat, and stay tuned to discover how a few simple foods can help you move better, sleep better, and feel better every single day. Before we dive in, drop a comment below to tell us where you're watching from, and feel free to ask any questions. We love hearing from our vibrant community. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip from Daily Vitality 365, your weekly guide to healthy aging and lifelong energy. Eggs, nature as perfect muscle support. Let us kick things off with a true nutritional powerhouse: eggs. Whether you enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or poached, eggs are one of the most complete and accessible foods you can eat, especially when it comes to maintaining strong muscles and preventing leg cramps as we age. So what makes eggs so special for muscle health? Complete, high-quality protein. Each egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality, complete protein. That means it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. This is crucial because, as we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. Less muscle means more weakness, fatigue, and yes, increased risk of cramps. Eating enough protein helps rebuild muscle tissue after activity, prevent muscle atrophy, shrinkage. Keep your metabolism running strong. Eggs are one of the easiest ways to meet your protein needs without a lot of chewing or digestion strain. Great for those with sensitive stomachs or dentures. Vitamin D, bone and muscle strength. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, a nutrient many older adults are deficient in, especially those who don't spend much time in the sun. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which supports both bones and muscles. Plays a direct role in muscle contraction and strength. Reduces the risk of falls and fractures. Low vitamin D levels are linked to increased muscle weakness and cramps, particularly in the legs and back. Just a few eggs per week can help top up your levels naturally. Vitamin B12, nerve and energy support. Another nutrient hiding in that golden yolk is vitamin B12, a vitamin that supports your nervous system. If your nerves aren't functioning properly, your muscles may not receive the right signals, leading to twitching, cramping, or tingling sensations in your legs. B12 also supports energy metabolism, helping you feel less sluggish and more mobile throughout the day. Since older adults tend to absorb less B12 from food as they age, eating B12-rich foods like eggs becomes even more important. Choline, for nerve function and brain health. Eggs are also the best dietary source of choline, a nutrient essential for healthy nerve signaling, muscle control, memory and brain function. Choline supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps muscles contract properly and stay relaxed after use, key in reducing cramps. Other nutrients that matter. Selenium, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. Lutein and zeaxanthin. While better known for eye health, these antioxidants also support blood flow, helping get more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. How many eggs can older adults eat? Most healthy adults can safely enjoy 6 to 7 eggs per week, sometimes more if cholesterol levels are well managed. Contrary to old advice, Recent research shows that moderate egg consumption does not significantly raise heart disease risk in most people. Tips for egg consumption. Use a soft-boiled egg as a protein-rich snack. Add a chopped hard-boiled egg to salads for extra nutrients. Try scrambled eggs with spinach for a double dose of magnesium and iron. If you're watching cholesterol, you can balance whole eggs with egg whites, which still offer protein but no cholesterol or fat. Eggs are an inexpensive, easy-to-prepare food that provides muscle-repairing protein, nerve-supporting B vitamins, cramp-fighting vitamin D, brain-boosting choline, all packed into one small, natural package. Whether you're managing cramps, building strength, or just trying to age more actively, adding eggs to your weekly meals is one of the smartest moves you can make. Bananas. The muscle-friendly fruit that fights leg cramps. When you think of bananas, you might picture a quick snack or a smoothie ingredient. But did you know this simple fruit is one of the best natural remedies for leg cramps and muscle support, especially in older adults? Let us peel back the layers and explore why bananas deserve a regular spot in your daily diet. Packed with potassium. The cramp-fighting mineral bananas are famous for their potassium content, and for good reason. One medium banana contains about 450 milliliters of potassium, which is roughly 10% of your daily needs. Why does potassium matter? Potassium is a key electrolyte that helps maintain proper muscle contraction and relaxation, balance fluid levels in and around muscle cells, prevent involuntary spasms or cramps, especially in the legs and feet. As we age, potassium levels may decline due to medications like diuretics, dehydration, or simply not eating enough potassium-rich foods. This can lead to frequent nighttime cramps or feelings of weakness in the legs. Eating bananas regularly can help rebalance your electrolytes naturally, a gentle and delicious way to fight those painful Charlie horses. Hydration. Helper. Natural fluids and electrolytes. Bananas also support hydration, not just through their potassium, but also through their natural water content, about 75% water by weight. Dehydration is one of the most common causes of leg cramps in older adults. Eating water-rich fruits like bananas can help. Keep your muscles hydrated. Improve circulation. Reduce the risk of cramping after walks or exercise. Pairing a banana with a glass of water is a great post-walk or post-gardening snack to rehydrate and replenish lost minerals. Magnesium and vitamin B6. The muscle and nerve duo bananas also contain small but meaningful amounts of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which support neuromuscular function, help prevent irritated or misfiring nerves, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation. Magnesium in particular is often called the anti-cramp mineral. If you're low in it, your muscles may spasm or seize up more easily. A banana isn't a magnesium powerhouse on its own, but it contributes to your daily intake, especially when combined with other magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, or oats. Gentle on the digestive system, bananas are soft, easy to chew, and very easy to digest, making them ideal for seniors with dental issues, reduced appetite, or sensitive stomachs. They also contain dietary fiber, especially a type called pectin, which aids gentle digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, keeps you regular. Staying regular is essential because constipation can worsen leg cramps by putting pressure on nearby nerves. Bonus: heart and brain health. Here, as a bonus, many don't realize bananas help lower blood pressure thanks to potassium, support mood and memory with natural B vitamins and tryptophan, provide natural energy with easily absorbed carbs, great before a walk or light exercise. How should older adults eat bananas? Bananas are versatile convenient, and safe for most people. Here are some smart ways to enjoy them. Breakfast boost. Add to oatmeal or yogurt for extra minerals. Snack solution. Keep one in your bag for on-the-go energy. Smoothie base. Blend with milk, spinach, and protein for a muscle-friendly drink. Cramps remedy. Eat a banana before bed if you often get night cramps. Tip: riper bananas, with more brown spots, are easier to digest and slightly sweeter, ideal for those with sensitive stomachs. Bananas are more than just a sweet fruit. They're a natural remedy for muscle cramps, a hydration helper, and a nerve-soothing snack. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber, they support stronger muscles, fewer nighttime cramps, better hydration, easier digestion. They are also inexpensive, require no prep, and are easy to eat anytime, anywhere. For seniors focused on staying mobile, energized, and cramp-free, a banana a day might keep the spasms away. Nuts and seeds, tiny powerhouses for muscle strength and cramp relief. Don tihi, yerter kotran fod. Dodi tuane, let their small size fool you. Nuts and seeds are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and they're especially beneficial for older adults who want to support their muscles, nerves, and heart. Let's crack open the benefits of these crunchy, satisfying superfoods. Why nuts and seeds are muscle-friendly foods. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes more difficult due to natural muscle loss, sarcopenia, reduced activity levels, or inadequate nutrition. Nuts and seeds help counter this with a powerful combination of nutrients. 1. Magnesium. The anti-cramp mineral. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals for muscle relaxation, and many leg cramps are linked to low magnesium levels. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, cashews, and chia seeds are especially rich sources. Just 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds can provide over 35% of your daily magnesium needs. This mineral helps relax tight or overworked muscles, prevent nighttime leg cramps, reduce twitching, spasms, or tingling sensations in the legs. Tip: eat a small handful of mixed nuts and seeds in the evening to support muscle relaxation overnight. 2. Potassium and calcium. The muscle coordination team. Nuts and seeds provide a natural trio of potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which work together to regulate nerve signals, balance muscle contractions, support heart rhythm and circulation. Low levels of any of these can result in misfiring nerve signals, leading to spasms, cramps, or even poor balance. For example, almonds and sesame seeds are rich in calcium. Pistachios and sunflower seeds contain potassium. Eating these regularly can help rebalance electrolytes, especially for seniors who take medications that deplete them, like diuretics or blood pressure pills. Bonus: benefits for older adults. Beyond muscle support, nuts and seeds offer a broad range of wellness benefits perfect for senior nutrition. Brain and nerve health. Rich in vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, especially flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, and B vitamins, help slow cognitive decline, reduce brain fog, and support mood. Anti-inflammatory effects reduce nerve pain and support healthy aging. Heart health. Healthy fats, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated, lower LDL, bad, cholesterol, help reduce blood pressure, improve circulation, and prevent arterial stiffness. Digestive support. Seeds like chia and flaxseed are excellent sources of soluble fiber, which aids bowel regularity, reduces constipation, which can also contribute to leg discomfort, helps manage blood sugar spikes. Bone support. Nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium support bone density, ideal for older adults at risk of osteoporosis or fractures. How to add nuts and seeds to your daily diet. The best part? Nuts and seeds are versatile, shelf-stable, and require zero cooking. Here are easy ways to include them daily. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. Add sliced almonds or sunflower seeds to salads for crunch and calcium. Enjoy a trail mix of mixed nuts and dried fruit for a satisfying snack. Use nut butters like almond or peanut butter on whole grain toast or apple slices. Mix ground flaxseed into baked goods or soups for an invisible nutrient boost. Choose unsalted roasted or raw varieties to avoid excess sodium. Portion. Tip. Nuts are calorie-dense, so stick to around 1 ounce per serving. A small handful, or about 2 tablespoons of nut butter, to get the benefits without overdoing it. Nuts and seeds are some of nature's best medicine for older adults, especially those battling leg cramps, muscle fatigue, or declining strength. With their rich supply of magnesium, potassium, calcium, healthy fats, and fiber, they help prevent painful muscle cramps, fuel and repair tired muscles, support healthy nerves, bones, digestion, and heart function. They're easy to eat, travel-friendly, and full of flavor and crunch. So the next time your legs feel weak or crampy, reach for a handful of these nutritional gems. They might be the tasty fix your body needs. So, if you're looking for a natural way to prevent muscle cramps and keep your legs moving with ease, start with these 3 powerhouse foods: eggs, bananas, and a handful of nuts or seeds. They deliver the perfect mix of muscle-supporting protein, nerve-nourishing vitamins, and cramp-fighting minerals to help you stay active and pain-free, especially as you age. Bonus tip. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in keeping your muscles flexible and functioning at their best. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use a little relief. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is your favorite muscle-friendly snack? Or what would you like us to cover next? And if you haven't already, subscribe to Daily Vitality 365 and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly tips for healthy aging, more energy, and a stronger you. Stay strong, stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.